Today we will try to know what is the significance of offering sindoor oil to the Lord Hanuma. What are the legendas are there according to the Hindu mythological Puranas. Sindoor and oil is often offers to the Hanumanji. There are basically two reasons for this. Sindoor. Saffron or red is a color of energy and vitality. Lord Hanuman is considered the savior of people in Kali Yuga. It is said that Hanumanji can protect the people from all kinds of troubles by infusing a person with self-confidence and power. So he is generally depicted in saffron or red color. Another reason is there is a very popular legenda where Hanumanji sees the Devi Sita applying the sindoor for the long and happy life of Sri Rama. Since he loved the Sri Rama also, he decided to cover his whole body with sindura for Sri Rama's long life. Seeing this act of devotion, Lord Rama gave a Hanumanji a boon that anybody who offered the Hanumanji sindur, that means vermilion, would have a happy and long life. These are, these are all the five things that should offer the Lord Hanuma. Oil is basically offered to Shani Deva. It is believed that according to many legendas that Shani Deva sits below the left leg of Hanumanji. So the oil is poured on the Mahavir's left leg so that it might reach the Shani Deva. Doing this is believed to lessen the harmful influence of the bad evil effects of the Shani Deva. The person who are affected with the Saturn ill effects. One more legenda is there. According to the Ramayana, one day Lord Hanuman saw the Devi Sita was filling sindoor in her mug. He asked her what was that and why was she doing that so. Mata Sita could not understand what to reply him. After a while she said to him, "It is the sindoor. It increased the life of Prabhu Ramchandra." Then Hanuman brought a buckets of sindoor and started bathing from them and on asking by Lord Rama, he replied, "When a small quantity of sindoor can increase my Lord's life, then I will apply it on my entire body parts to increase my Lord's life to infinity." So Mata Sita blessed him. If one applies the sindoors to him, he will get punya of reading the full book of Ramayana. Let us know the significance of sindoor. Sindoor has the deep significance in Hindu tradition. In Hinduism, married Hindu women apply the sindoor in their mug as a wish for their husband's long life. But many of you may not know why sindoor is offered to Hanumanji and what is its importance. Today we will know why it is so important to offer the sindoor to Hanumanji. The history of applying sindoor to Hanumanji, importance of sindoor in Hinduism, and what benefits we will get. Let us we know. History of applying the sindoor to the Hanumanji. According to the popular belief, once when Sita was applying the sindoor on her forehead, Hanumanji asked her the reason for doing so. "Why do you apply sindoor in your mug?" Sitaji said that applying the sindoor ensures the long life for husband Lord Rama. The devotees of Lord Rama were happy to hear this. From that day onwards, devotee Hanuman applied the sindoor all over his body to ensure the Rama's immortality. Hanuman covered himself with sindoor to prove his immense love for the Lord Rama. Impressed by this, Lord Rama granted a boon that all the difficulties of those who worship Lord Hanuman with sindoor in the future will be removed. And this is why Hanuman idol in temples is always coated with oil and sindoor. Devotees believe that worshipping Hanuman with sindoor brings the blessings, fulfill wishes, and removes the obstacles in the life. And we will try to know the importance of sindoor in Hinduism. In a Hindu tradition, sindoor holds a lot of importance. Apart from being associated with the Lord Hanuman, sindoor is considered the auspicious and is closely linked to the concept of marriage and marital bliss. Married Hindu women apply the sindoor in the middle of their hair as a wish for their husband's longevity. According to the Hindu mythology, Parvati, that means Lord Shiva wife, used to apply the sindoor on her forehead as a symbol of her purity and affection towards her husband. Applying the sindoor on the bride's forehead during the wedding ceremony is also considered a blessing. It is believed that it brings the good luck and prosperity to the couple and keeps the evil spirits away and protecting the couple from the harm. Can apply the sindoor to Lord Hanuman? All will get these confusion questions. Women should not offer sindoor to Lord Hanuman. It is believed that this makes the Hanuman angry. Lord Hanuman is considered to be the celibate deity and considered all women as his mother. Therefore, certain rituals and offerings such as sindoor, wearing the clothes and touching the feet are prohibited for the women during the worship of Lord Hanuman. Women can worship Lord Hanuman in certain other ways, such as observing the fast, reciting the prayers, and doing the bhajanas, and such as the Hanuman Chalisa, offering the flowers, incense, and the sweets. And let us know the benefits of applying the sindoor to the Hanuman. Sindoor ensures the long life and well-being of the one husband or the partner. According to the Hindu tradition, Sita applied the sindoor to ensure the longevity of her husband, Lord Rama. When Hanuman saw this, he covered his entire body with sindoor to make the Rama's life more blessed. Sindoor removes the obstacles and difficulties from our lives. Lord Rama, impressed by the Hanuman's devotion, blessed him that those who worship Hanuman with sindoor on Tuesday will be the relief for their troubles and difficulties from planet Rahu. Sindoor signifies the devotion and love towards the god. Hanuman applied the sindoor due to his pure love and devotion towards the supreme god Lord Rama. This act is seen as the symbol of unwavering the faith and commitment. Sindoor brings the good luck in our lives. It is said in the scriptures that applying the sindoor is auspicious and brings the good luck to the devotee. Let us try to know why we'll pour the oil to the Lord Hanuman. It is believed that offering the oil to the Hanumanji pleases him quickly and blessings of the Lord Rama remain. Apart from this, there are many other benefits of the offering oil. Hanumanji is very fond of jasmine oil. Lighting a lamp of jasmine oil and offering the oil to Hanumanji maintains the happiness, peace and prosperity in the house. And by fasting on the Tuesday, worshipping the Hanumanji and reciting the Hanuman Chalisa, that is Mars, Mangala dosha is removed from the birth chart. The person who is affecting from the Mars effects. By offering the oil to the Hanumanji, the shadow of ghost means the evil spirits remain away and evil eye also get removed. That is Naragosha will be removed. By offering oil to the Hanumanji, one gets rid of the enemies. That means Shatrunashanam. By offering the oil to the Hanumanji, problems in the houses are removed. Oil is also offered to the Shani Deva. It is believed that during the Ramayana period, Hanumanji had reduced the pain of Shani Deva by applying the oil on his body. Offering oil to the Shani Deva relieves from Shani dosha and also get rid of Shani, that is means 7.5 years, Sade Sati or Daya, that means 2.5 years, that all effects of the Saturn will be removed. And one more legenda is also is there. The Lord Saturn is sit on the left leg of the Hanuman. That is why the oil is pouring on the offering to the Lord Hanuman. The Saturn effects will reduce and give the prosperity to the person who is affecting from the Saturn in the birth chart. That is why offering the sindoor and oil to the Lord Hanuman is very important. Offering it to the on every Tuesday, it will remove all the effects of the Rahu dosha and Shani dosha. So from that day onwards, it became a tradition to offer the sindoor to the Lord Hanuman. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share and watch my playlist. Thank you.